Kano State Islamic Police had arrested the 8 persons who were caught eating in the afternoon when every faithful Muslim was supposed to be fasting. However, an Islamic cleric, Imam Sharifuddin, is faulting this arrest. He told Signature TV that nobody under Islam has authority to punish anyone who fails to observe the Ramadan fast. He posted that Islam as a religion is not a faith of force or compulsion, because only Allah rewards for good deeds and punishes for our transgression.
So many things can lead to a Muslim not fasting. For one reason or the other, number one, in the Quran, Allah said it, if you embark on a rigorous journey, very stressful journey, you are asked to leave the fasting. You just count the number of days you'll be on the journey. After Ramadan, you pay it back. If you fall sick and you cannot fast, you will stop the fasting and pay it back after Ramadan. If a Muslim deliberately refuse to fast without any reason, his reward is a severe punishment before Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, and is tantamount to him being admitted into hellfire. Nigeria is not an Islamic country. It's a Muslim country where we have Muslims as Nigerians, but we are not actually running Islamic government. So there is no a particular body that will bring about punishment or judgment on anyone who leaves fasting who fails to fast in the month of Ramadan. There's no particular body for that.
But a legal expert, Johnny Ajim, told Signature TV correspondent that Sharia is accommodated under the Nigerian Constitution. He said that Kano State subscribes to Sharia, and if any organization of Islam in Kano goes outside the Sharia provisions of the Constitution, that organ becomes null and void. However, Muslims who subscribe to Sharia are bound to obey the laws prescribed under such laws.
The Constitution is the ground norm. It's the foundation upon which every other law sits upon. And by that, the Constitution itself provides that any law that is contrary, any law that runs foul, any law, any provision, any regulation, any act that is passed by the National Assembly that runs contrary to the dictates of the Constitution of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, 1999 as amended, is null and void to the extent of its inconsistency to the provisions of the Constitution. You all know that, or rather, I think it's of common knowledge that we know that under the Sharia law, which is the Islamic law, it provides for all kinds of, if I may use the word, inhuman kinds of punishments when it comes to offenses and when persons violate those the Sharia law. Implementing Sharia law in whatever form that runs contrary to the provision of the Constitution is null and void, and when such is being sought in the court of law, definitely I know the court will do justice and set whatever form of punishment or violations that were meted out to such individuals in favor of that person against the state or the individuals who try to apply such.
The Ramadan is a 30 days fast, which is stipulated by Quran for any Muslim, and the faithful comply with the Ramadan fast, during which their good deeds are expected to be rewarded by Allah. Chibueze Obi in Abuja for Signature TV.